Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, hi, my name is Shani. What's up, what's good with you? Thank you for being here. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look right here. I know y'all are getting tired of this type of eyelet, this shape, like the 3-step process thingy, but this style of eyeshadow looks really good on my eye shape. So if you guys are interested in this video, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Like, that's just it. So y'all, I've been trying this Too Faced Born This Way multi-sculpting concealer, and I still don't know how I feel about this concealer. I like the bottle, I like how big it is, it's gonna last me for a minute. I got the color Chestnut. I feel like it's a little too light, but it's definitely better than the other colors I had. I feel like I will always go back to LAGirl. Like, nothing really wows me. Alright, so the concealer is on. Now I'm going to take my Morphe E8 brush and pat this concealer out. And then set it into place with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. My battery went dead, so I went ahead and set my eyelids off camera with the Sacha Buttercup. Moving on to the eyeshadow. What are we going to do today? I'm going to do a look that I did and then I'm just going to pat out the edges. Now I'm going back in with this brush with Mars on it, the lighter color. I'm going to take that color and just blend this area out. Just so there's nothing harsh going on here. I want everything to look clean. Well, not clean, but blended. So we're just pressing this color onto that concealer. Now I'm going into my Makeup Shayla palette because I should have used this from the start, and I'm taking Unbothered. and that's going to go right here. Okay, now the look that I did at work had a red color right here in between the burgundy and this color, but I cannot find that pigment from MAC, and I'm just like, yo, what's really good? I cleaned up all my makeup and I kind of like reorganized it, and I do not know where I put that pigment. It was like a red glittery pigment. It was so freaking pretty. But in the place of that, I'm just gonna use Copper Sparkle right here, and hopefully it that pigment shut me up real quick. Oh, that's actually really pretty. It's not the same color, but it's giving me the same vibe, so we're good. Placing it right here in the middle, and I'm just tapping it inward. Oh, the brush that I used to apply was the E25 brush from Sigma, which is a flat blending brush. For eyeliner, I'm using the Makeup Revolution ink liner. Y'all should know. I'm surprised there's still product in this thing. Like, y'all, I have not repurchased this at all. And it's for lashes, I think I'm going to go dramatic using the Nubounsom, however you pronounce this brand, in the style Dragon Lee. Super fluffy. Using the Kiss Lash Adhesive, my fave. Okay, so while the glue dries on these lashes, I'm going to moisturize my face with the Pure 4-in-1 Cloud Cream Gel to Water Hydrating Essence Moisturizer. I think I applied a little too much. This moisturizer is so like slippery. I love it. For foundation, I'm taking the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the color Cocoa, and I'm using my Morphe E34 brush to apply. Please don't squirt out like you did last time. I think I put too much foundation on this brush. Yo, I forgot to prime my face. Let's do that real quick. I'm taking the LAGirl Pro Prep High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. Just prime this area. That's all I really care about. Now for concealer, using the same concealer, the Born This Way Too Faced Concealer in Chestnut. This concealer does cover, so that's good. It spreads a lot, so a little goes a long way. Like even this is too much. And we're just gonna blend this out with a beauty blender, a damped beauty blender. Like y'all see how much it spreads? That's what I'm talking about. So this is what I find myself doing. Like I'll put my concealer on and blend it out right here. But once I get out here, I don't want to like bring it all the way out, because then you're going to have that sharp line on the side of your face, and that's not cute. We don't need that. Unless you're trying to widen up your face, then you can do that, but I still don't think it looks flattering when it just doesn't look seamless to me when it's like coming all the way out like this. So I'm just going to take my foundation brush and blend the outer corner out and just make sure everything is flowing seamlessly, you know? Blend this part out too. Is if this concealer flashes back. I just feel like with this concealer, I have to do a little bit more. Like, I don't normally have to do this. Make sure the sides of my nose are blended together. It just be blended. But with this concealer, girl, maybe because it's light and this concealer gives you time to work with it. It's not just stuck to your face, which I like, because sometimes I'll be taking forever to blend stuff out. But yeah, it gives you a chance to work with it. Now I'm going to set my under eyes with this Sacha Buttercup setting powder. It's a lot of powder. What am I doing? Ain't nobody baking around here. See, this is when you start feeling your makeup. So the mouth area. I definitely have to be careful with how much powder I use with this NYX foundation, because it is matte and I'll be forgetting. And I'll be looking at my face like, yo, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like, you didn't watch the whole video, why haven't you subscribed yet? Like, that's kind of rude. Just go ahead and subscribe. You're gonna love it here, I promise you. So Go ahead and subscribe, turn on your bell notifications so you guys get a notification when I upload a brand new video. Okay? And I will see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, like I said, the next video will be right here.